Sawubona, it's me Mr. Dlamini again. In part 2, I will be secretly snooping in on a number of potential participants in Kafandai's future series by hook or by crook. I can see and hear them, but they can't see or hear me. I am sure this will be a lot of fun. Oh yes, I forgot. Apart from all the fun, you have a very important task. After seeing all the videos, yes, all of the hook or by crook episodes, please log on to the website and fill in the form on the forms page marked by hook or by crook. All you need to do is place each player in a position you think he deserves. So first place would be your highest mark and 11th would be your lowest. Your input is very important and will be kept secret. And yes, this is directly linked to the Kafandai Cup and Kafandai League Cup quarterfinal draws, which will be declared on Thursday. I hope you enjoy the videos. Salagatle. Don't forget, all of you, we can see him, we can hear him, but he can't see us. How? What is he doing? He is cooking something. I'm telling you, he is cooking something, but I don't know what he's cooking. He's not even explaining to us what he's cooking. I am wondering what he is doing. It is obvious, I'm telling you, my friends, it is obvious that he has told his wife or someone to prepare the better for him. Otherwise, he would have shown us. He would have shown us that he is capable of. Look at him, he's just putting the ghee. I am assuming it's the ghee. And just some phenomena.
So what I'm making out here is breakfast item. It's a sort of dosa called adai. It is chana dal ka dosa.
How? This man has actually spoken, and he has told us that he has made some dal ka dosa.
My wife is prompting me flame bada karke.
So at least he's being honest about that, his wife. But he's not telling that his wife has told him to magic! That was magic! Oh, you just had his wife. Did you hear that? You go back and you hear that. You just had his wife. His wife was saying, "Oh, why are you turning it over now?" Let's just listen.
So as you see, this adai has come in one piece and it is not even burnt. So I think the job is well done.
Yeah, boy, it's not even bad, you are saying. Look at that. Look at that. His wife is prompting him. It's his wife who should be cooking.
So it is had with jaggery here and butter.
This is very funny cooking. First of all, his wife prepares. His wife prepares the batter, and then he thinks he is hot by showing that he's putting some jaggery and some butter. This is very, very funny. I don't think he will get any points for this. Mr. Venkatramani, but look at him also. He is wearing some dodgy homewear when he should be wearing the kit of his team Arctic Foxes.
Yep, job done. Thank you.
Suddenly we are going to Adan Sadhana of Arctic Foxes 2. And what is he doing with this funny guest up? He's turning the knobs as if he's going to kill someone. Look at that. I am assuming he is not explaining anything to us. There is some funny music in the background, and at many points I am telling you, we will quicken the pace of the video so that you won't get bored. But here I am assuming he has put in oil. It looks like sesame seed oil to me, but I am presuming it is ordinary oil. And from this far away, I will try and tell you. If only he had invited me over. Look, he's now chopping onions. Look at him go. I wish I could chop this. Wait. This is the speeding done by the Kafandai media. And now he is doing something with a pen, and he's always touching the knob. Isn't it fine doing adjusting? I'm telling you. Fine doing. He's taken something out. I don't know what it is. Wait, he's adjusting the knob again. He's just putting With his left hand, he dropped an onion. Oh, it is very tasty. Oh, he dropped another onion. He did not spot that onion. And now he's using his fingers. He has got very tough fingers, I'm telling you. Wouldn't it have been easier if you would have separated those onions before putting them in that bin? This is very funny. I am wondering what kind of breakfast he's preparing. I have no idea. He's cracking an egg now. He is cracking an egg. He has cracked it from here. I think he has cracked it okay. Once again, this player, he is very unconventional way. It is good that we can't read it. Otherwise, Kafendra would have bent it. He is not wearing proper artistic material. We have decided to spin him. Look, he's removing something else. I think it is salt. Now he is hitting something. Oh, he's tapping his foot with salt. Now he's stirring his onions. I wonder who is recording this, look at him. Look at the way he's stirring. He's stirring. Is it called a spatula? That tool. And now he's beating it. He's beating the eggs while pouring. Is he making scrambled eggs? I am wondering. Is he making in Marathi? They call it anda bhurji or in English, but I don't know. It is called a scrambled eggs. Fully beaten. Something funny is happening with that music and that speed. Anyway, he's using his hands. His dirty hands he's using everywhere. But he's taken a lid and he's covering and he kicked the dough shut with his foot. And now he's putting everything back in place. This guy is a very clean cook. I'm telling you, he is clean. And the cameraman is bringing us close to see with the lid on top how it looks like mushroom. Big cut mushroom. This is funny. I just saw him chopping eggs and chopping onions and it looks like he's making a mushroom egg scramble. And he's picking up now and he's doing it fast and he's taking a plate out. He has taken a plate out. How spirit. He has a lot of spirit, I think. And now he's scratching his head. He is scratching his head. It is not right, this cook. I am not going to eat his food. He is scratching his head and then he is touching everything. He'll have to clean his kitchen now. And now it is an omelette. He has made an omelette. This is a very funny process. I am telling you, I am a professional cook and I find this cooking very unprofessional. But I am telling you. There's a lady's voice. Let me keep quiet. I think she said it is ready. You have a bite. He's having a bite. It is still hot. How his mouth is as tough as his fingers. Now with a quick jump to Amol Monga, and I think this is his son or is it his daughter? She is sitting. Let me just say, see, because she looks very pretty. She is sitting, and if it's a boy, let me tell you, I am very sorry, but when you are small, girls look like boys. No, sorry, girls look like girls, and boys look like girls. She is actually talking to her father, and now she is. But look at that. Even here, that dough has already been made by the wife. I am sure this Mr. Monga is married. Amol Monk is married, and his wife has done the needful. And now he is just showing off by he's just patting it with some, with some flour. I think that looks very unhealthy of him. I am sure from this distance, it is looking like they call it in India maida, or it is a refined flour. It is not healthy, this boy, this Amol Monga, it is not healthy. And now he is using a tool which is, flattening. They call it a bread, they call it a roti or a chapati in India. He's flattening it. But I don't know whether it is very child-proof. I'm telling you, that little child, he will, the little child is wondering, he's saying, why mommy, why are you giving daddy? Why are you telling daddy to make the food? I'm not hungry anymore. That is what the child is saying. You just had his father. I want mama's food. That is what. This is the poor child. And that child is really close. Look at that. Mama, I don't like daddy's cooking. Let us just speed it up. he's using his fingers. This guy's got dark fingers. His fingers don't get bent. How? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How? Look at him turning. He has turned that chapati. That is skin. Look at this talented fellow. He is turning. Like how he turns a pancake. Look at him go again. Oh, that was a very talented skill. That is. Look at how the little baby is worried now. That baby is worried. He is saying, oh sorry, I am sorry. She is saying, I don't want to eat. That is chapati. That is what he's saying. And now even I am getting worried. Because that child, is this a child-proof zone? I am wondering. It is very dangerous. But I think they are safe. Now he's sitting it. He is worried. That child is worried. He does not want Amol's cooking. Even I would be worried. Look at that. He said, he just told his child, that hey, after this, I am giving it to mama to make the food because you don't have to eat my food. Don't worry. I am with the child on this. Now the father is saying, no, he's saying, no, I'll give you a kiss, I'll give you a present, he's saying. And the child is saying, maybe, what kind of present are you giving me? He is thinking about it. And then he's still saying, no. Look at it. Oh, he's saying, no, don't, whatever they bribe you. Whatever they bribe you, my child, don't eat Amol Manga's food. Don't, I am telling you, it is the biggest mistake of your life. Look, even he is not tasting it. Look at it, don't. And we're going to look at him. Doesn't he look handsome? What was that? Is that the sound of a ghost? Mr. Tejwani, I think if there is not an old man in your house or an old woman, I think there is a ghost in your house. Oh, I am getting very scared. But as you are not scared, don't worry, I am not scared. Okay, let us see. But doesn't it look another Arctic Foxes player? How? Look at that. Look at they are not in uniform. They have to be in uniform. And he's hitting. They call it the tower in India. He is hitting it with the egg. Yeah, the egg. But he has managed to he's putting, I think, it might be salt and pepper. Salt with his right hand and red pepper with his left hand. Oh, he has not wiped his hand. And he's opening door. He is just as dirty as that Anand Sadhana. Oh, look at him. And all this guy is concerned about, I'm telling you. Look at the way he looks at the camera. He is sure, he thinks he is handsome. I think also maybe everyone thinks he's handsome, but I am telling you, I am not fooled. I am looking at that egg of his and what he's going to do with it. Look at him turning it over. Oh, it's just one egg. He has turned it over. I am telling you, he's going to turn around and feel very proud. Look, something happened to his head. And now, oh, he's so happy he has made a broken fried egg, as they call it, a sunny side up. And he's turning it over. And then, oh, there's still a ghost. I think there is an old man. I think Mr. Tejwani must be taking care of him. I hope his grandfather or someone old gets better. And now let's see. Is he going to taste his own food? Is he going to risk it? How? Let us see. How? He's going to taste it. I hope he has not poisoned himself. How? He dropped it. Let us see if it is successful. He is bound to say it is successful. Let us see what happened now. Oh! He said it's amazing.